Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars, latest video for this Ford Focus. This is the ST Line X 1 litre turbo EcoBoost automatic. It's an 8-speed auto, first registered 21st of September 2019, just the one private owner from new. The car is finished in race red, having covered 29,200 miles. Serviced by Ford in November 21 at 23,900 miles. We've just had the MOT done early. That's valid through until the 19th of April 2023. Ford warranty until the car's third birthday, which is September 2022, and at 60,000 miles. Very good setup, tyres. Fronts are on 5.8 and 6mm of tread, and the rears are on 3mm of tread. It's a Euro 6 petrol engine producing 125 brake horsepower. It's compliant with the ultra low emission zones. Manufacturer's claimed average MPG of 40.4 to the gallon. As with the exterior of this Focus, the interior is likewise in very good condition for its age and mileage. It features a number of nice factory options also, one of which being the panoramic sunroof with the electric shutter blind. It has the convenience pack also, optional heated steering wheel, optional wireless charging for the phone, and also optional keyless entry. Front parking sensors, rear parking sensors with camera and park assist functionality, satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay, as well as Android Auto, AM/FM radio, as well as DAB radio, 2 USB inputs, as well as Bluetooth music streaming and Bluetooth connectivity for phone. The front windscreen's heated, as well as the front seats and the steering wheel. Has cruise control, automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, auto hold, road sign recognition, and pre-collision assist. All make up what is a very generous level of specification. The Focus is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. It will be supplied with both remote control keys, full book pack, full set of tailored carpet mats, space saver spare wheel with all tools present. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding customer testimonials, part exchange valuation form, interactive finance calculator with the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Thank you for watching this latest video, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.